20,000 shares of Yes Bank, which he's bought at a price of 21. He's asking what the possible move on the upside could be. The stock has dropped further and is now at about 17 rupees or thereabouts. Vaishali, on the charts, what are the prospects? Is the drawdown, can you call a bottom? Is it oversold? What would you say?
Definitely, technically, we would say that it is in an oversold zone and we can expect a bounce. So once it sustains about 17, 18 levels, one can expect a bounce coming to 19 and 20. But having said that, I would say that right now in a market like this, you're getting fantastic opportunities to get into a stock like probably Bank of Baroda or an SBI. I would say focus on the front line. This is the time to focus on the front line.
Okay, so would you book losses therefore and move to, and which one of those would you pick front and center?
Right now I would look at now ICICI Bank still. SBI is at a fair value, so I would say go for SBI. Why not in SBI at this level?
Okay, so you could potentially recover your losses faster if you switch. Is basically the idea that that Vaishali has got for you, and indeed you are seeing some of these frontline banking names move quite smartly, and you've seen them move in the recent past as well. Vedanta is the next counter that we're talking about, and Vijeta is writing in from Kolkata asking about this. She's looking at a long-term view of 2 to 3 years, but she's also concerned with the short-term moves. Specifically, she's asking, should she be concerned about the debt-to-equity ratio, which is more than 2 times at this juncture? It's a valid question. Also, from the perspective, Rajesh, of this company going through a restructuring, and the fact that it has, over the course of the last year, given out quite a bit of its cash in the form of dividends. So how does it manage?
See, the basic question of debt equity is very valid. It has been languishing since very long period of time. There was a huge debt, and management has time and again come on record saying that they're trying to reduce debt, they're trying to restructuring all those things, but nothing has happened until date. So debt definitely is an issue, but the kind of restructuring the company has planned, the demerger process and all, I think there is huge value unlocking going to take place in times to come. As far as dividend is concerned, they have already given out a lot of cash, and I don't think that kind of dividend would be expected in the near future. Maybe some amount of decent dividend would be there, but that kind of huge dividend, I don't expect to be repeated. One can continue to hold. Maybe a target of 520, 525 is quite possible in the next 6 to 9 months.
Okay, 525, 25. Okay, so there's upside even in the next 6 months, Vijeta, that you should watch out for.